welcome to my channel. My name is Jay. I'm going to be reviewing some perfumes that I did purchase during this quarantine. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're already a subscriber, thanks for watching this video, even though it has nothing to do with locks. I appreciate the love. But disclaimer, if you guys hear some noise in the background, it's my kids, so I'm going to go ahead and apologize ahead of time for the background noise. This video is not sponsored in any way, shape, or form. Okay? If there was any sponsorship, it's from my husband because he purchased all these for me. It's gonna be on the House of Sillage. I did purchase 4 of the cupcakes. You know those beautiful cupcakes, silver lining. That's the signature scents that they have. And then when you see the gold packaging, the gold one, those are what they call Whispers in the Garden. So it's a little bit softer. It's a little bit more like you can wear it every day. I'll just show you like a quick look at it. And from the Whispers and the Garden collection, I did purchase 1. And then the next 3 obviously is from the signature line. So I'm not gonna do a review on these. I'm honestly not. I felt like for the price that they actually retail, I didn't mind buying the Discovery Kits so that I didn't make a regretful blind buy. And that's the same thing I recommend for you if you're interested in the Sillage fragrances. Buy the Discovery Kits. Don't blind buy none of these because some of them are like solid, like oh my goodness. And then some of them it's like it has to fit your personality, and a lot of them didn't fit mine. I'm going to start out with the only one that I have from the Whispers in the Garden collection, and that is the Whispers of Truth. So I wanted to do an unboxing on camera. That's why I didn't open these yet. I did open one because I couldn't wait, and that was the one that came by itself. All right, here we go. This just makes me feel like a kid at Christmas. Oh yeah, yeah, it's brand new. I'm like struggling. I have to take it off. So see, it comes sealed right there, and then right there as well. So let me work on that part. 1 second. I'm really trying not to like damage these boxes. What can I do? All right. And this is how it comes. This is like a pillow top type almost. So this is how it comes. It's like a magnet and it flaps down. You can click it back up like that if you wish to. So I'm gonna take this out. Each box is the exact same. It comes with a cloth so you can keep your crystals clean, and a little card to certify that it is actually from the House of Sillage and not a copy of some kind. So here's the cupcake for the Whispers of Truth. The top part with Swarovski crystals, and then the cap, it tells you the name of the fragrance. See, it says Whispers of Truth. The top notes are grapefruit, bergamot, and orange. The heart note is rose and jasmine, and the base note is musk and caramel. Let's see. Did you guys see that? Try again. Beautiful. This thing is gorgeous. You definitely get the grapefruit and the orange. This is like a perfect summer fragrance. Oh my god. I think all of them might be appropriate for summer except one that I have, and it has oud. And for oud, it's more like fall, winter time because it's so heavy. But it smells so good. Oh my, I definitely smell the grapefruit on the opening. It has, I'm looking at my notes to remember exactly what's in it, because I guarantee if you spray something, your shirt, this box, every time you smell it, it just makes you go, dang, this is pretty. It's very beautiful. Look at that. This is Tiara. Put this down. Okay. The description for Tiara couldn't be any more befitting, because on the description for Tiara it says the princess in every woman. And so this is what I did originally. I sprayed every single one of them fragrances from the discovery kit on different pieces of paper, and then the ones that I liked, I sprayed them myself. See how long it lasts, see how I feel when I wear it, and so on. But I left the papers on my side of the bathroom. My husband walked in. I guess he smelled them. I didn't realize it. So I go in the bathroom and I find the papers that I had the samples on separated. And I'm like, what happened to, what's going on here? I come out and I'm like, babe, what happened to my papers on the counter? He's like, oh, let me show you something. Comes into the bathroom and says, oh yeah, I like these. This is the ones you should get. I'm like, okay, sir. Thank you very much for your input. Appreciate it. My husband said when he smelled Tiara, he pictured me at the airport with him, and people get a whiff of my fragrance as I walk past. People look at me like, damn. That's that first class smell right there. You know, like, shmoney? Yeah. He didn't say shmoney. I made that part up. I'm not even gonna lie. But honest to God, he did say it has like a clean, fresh. I do smell a lot of jasmine in here. And one thing I have to say, I think all of them have some form of rose oil. It's not a mature rose oil, if you understand what I'm saying. It's more like a beautiful, soft. I'm smelling this. It smells good. It's that type of rose. This one has, oh, and by the way, each of the fragrances has at least 20% perfume oils in them. So that's what helps with the sillage and to help it to last, the longevity and such. But the one that I picked, which was my number one hands down, which was the Whispers of Truth. Whispers of Truth does have 25% 25% perfume oil. So it tells you on the bottom. Let's see if I can get that to focus. It should be like right here somewhere. Let's see, that's Tiara. Tells you how much each of them come with. My French has never been the best, so I'm gonna try. If I butcher it, I apologize. If you speak French, I apologize. I'm trying. I'm willing to learn though, so if I do say it wrong, you can correct me. I'm not gonna get offended, but I appreciate the help. So it's pronounced Nose Moy. Nose Moy. Nose Moy. Okay, that's what it says. And under the description it says, the graceful aura of irresistible beauty. Let's unbox this one, yeah? Nose Moy, top notes are peppercorn and cardamom oil. The heart note is rose oil and jasmine. And the base note is patchouli and musk. So, and it's, the bottom is black and the top is also black. The liquid, I think the liquid is gold, because when they move it, you see that it's gold in there. And then again, these are all the Swarovski crystals at the top of the fragrance. And Nose Moy, according to my husband, it is the one. Like, this is his number one pick. If I was only gonna get one and only one, he wanted it to be this one and only one. Opening is not my favorite. I think I purchased it because he fell in love with it, not because I fell in love with it. but that dry down is right. It's the dry down. And the dry downs for all of them takes anywhere from like 20 minutes or so. It honestly, like, come back in 20 minutes and you'll have a different opinion. I didn't show the cap. That's Nose Moy. That's how the word looks. So I hope I said it right. I'm gonna show you the bottom without the fragrance in there so you can see. The last one I have is another one of my husband's favorite from what he smelled from the samples, and it's called Passion de l'Amour. I hope I said that right. I tried. Okay, before I spray it, let me show you the box, the bottom of it, to see if I'm even pronouncing it right. Okay, that's the bottom. Passion de l'Amour. Top note is saffron and raspberry. The heart note is caramel and amherst oil. And the base note is oud and Lightrix Absolute. This is described as mystery and passion on a hot tropical night in the South Pacific. Not my words, that's how she described it. That's what she wanted you to feel when you smell it. And this is nice. This one is real. This one is like, you're trying to show out. This is it. Now don't get me wrong, all of these, you will be noticed, you will get compliments, you will smell like money. A lot of the signature scents, you're gonna smell like old money. I'll just be honest with you. But that Whispers in the Truth, for me, it just comes across so clean. Like, I have this white shirt on, and I already have on a fragrance. I'm wearing, what am I wearing? MFK Baccarat Rouge 540. That's my perfume. That's another story though. But that Whispers in the Truth, I mean, Whispers of Truth. So Whispers in the Truth. Whispers of Truth, to me, that's the truth. But obviously, like, hands down, that's my #1 favorite. But these other ones, yeah, that's right. Okay, you beautiful people. We made it to the end of this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. You can also subscribe to my channel if you're interested in my hair journey, because that's a journey in itself as well. Till next time, be blessed.